Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mohammad Zanur and your mathematics teacher. In today's lecture we are going to discuss review exercise 3. So by taking start from question number 3, which is find the value of x in the following. Here part 1 is log x at the base of 3 is equal to 5. Here we have to find the value of x. As it is written in logarithm form, so we have to convert it in exponential form. So it can be written as in exponential form, which is 3 at the power of 5 is equal to x, as 3 power 5 which is equal to 243 means you have to multiply 3 5 times. So our answer is x is equal to 243. Next, part number 2 is log 256 at the base of 4 is equal to x. So similarly as in part 1 we have to write it in exponential form. So in exponential form it can be written as 4 power x is equal to 256. Now as the variable occurs in power, so we have to make bases same. So we have to make factors of 256. I have made factors of 256 which is 2 की power 8. Here 4 can be written as 2 की power 2 whole की power x. Now as we know that if a की power m into n, then these powers will be multiplied with each other and it can be written as a की power m n. So here it will be equal to 2 की power 2x which is equal to 2 की power 8. Now next, as bases are same, so power will be also equal. So 2x will be equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 by 2 which is equal to 4. Next, in part 3, log 5 at the base of 625 is equal to x by 4. So first we are going to convert it in exponential form. Here 625 power x by 4 is equal to 5. We have to make factors of 625 which is 5 की power 4 whole की power x by 4. This 4 will be cancelled with 4 and equal to 5. Now 5 की power x which is equal to 5 की power 1. As bases are same, so power will be also equal. So here x is equal to 1. Next, in part 4, log x at the base of 64 is equal to minus 2 over 3. So converting it in exponential form, 64 power minus 2 by 3 which is equal to x. Now make the factors of 64 which is 4 की power 3 whole की power minus 2 by 3 is equal to x. This 3 will be cancelled with 3 and we got with remaining 4 की power minus 2 is equal to x. Now taking 4 की power minus 2 to denominator to make it positive value. Now here x is equal to 1 over 4 की power 2 which is equal to 1 over 16. Next, question number 4, which is find the value of x in the following. Here we have to find the value of x. So by taking log on the other side it will become anti-log. Here we have to find the anti-log of 2.4543. You can calculate anti-log from anti-logarithm table or using calculator. Here I have find it which is equal to 284.6. By using calculator, first click shift then log and put the value of 2.4543 and you will get 284.6. If you are not interested in calculator, then you can calculate it from anti-logarithm table. Now part 2, which is log x is equal to 0.1821. Here take log on the other side and it will become anti-log, and anti-log of 0.1821 which is equal to 1.521. Part 3, here we have to find the anti-log of 0.0044. So anti-log of 0.0044 is 1.010. In part 4 we have to find the anti-logarithm of minus 1.6238. Here we cannot find anti-logarithm of minus 1.6238 directly from calculator, so we are going to make some changes. Here we can written minus 1.6238 as minus 1 separate plus 0.6238 means minus 1 will give us point to where decimal occur and this value give us anti-log's value. So you have to find antilog of 0.6238, which will be 4206 from calculator. Now we will find catechis, which will be minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So we have to put a 0 before 4206. So our answer will be 0.04206. Next, question number 5, we are provided with the values of log 2, log 3 and log 5, and we have to find the values of the following. Part 1 is log 45, means we have to convert 45 into 2, 3 and 5. So we have to make factors of 45. I have made factors of 45 which are 3, 3 and 5, which can be written as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5. Now using first law of logarithm, which tells us that multiply will convert into addition. So it will be equal to log 3 power 2 plus log 5. Now using logarithm third law, which states that the power of exponent will come before the log. So it will be equal to 2 log 3 plus, here I have put the value of log 5, which is 0.6990. Now put the value of log 3 and multiply it by 2. You will get 0.9542 plus 0.6990. Now we are going to add these values and get our answer, which is 1.6532. Next, part 2, which is log 16 over 15. So here we have to use second law of logarithm, which states that if two values are being divided, they are subtracted. So it will be equal to log 16 minus log 15. Here we have to make the factors of 16, which are 2 power 4 minus log 15. Prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. So it can be written as power will come before log 4 log 2 minus this minus will convert the plus sign of 3 and 5 into negative. So it will be equal to minus log 3 minus log 5. Now put the values of log 2, 3 and 5. We will get 1.2040 minus 1.1761. So here we have to subtract these values and get our answer, which is 0.0279. Next, part number 3, which is log 0.048. Here we have to convert 0.048 into fraction. So it can be written as 48 over 1000, as 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. Now these values are being divided, so they will be subtracted. Log 48 minus log 10 to the power 3. Here we have to make factors of 48, which are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and this 3 comes before the log, minus 3 log 10. Now this is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 minus 3 log 10 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Now using first law of logarithm, log 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 minus 3 log 2 and minus 3 log 5, because this minus will change the sign of log 2 plus log 5. Next, put the value of log 3, log 2 and log 5. You will get this type of values. Next, put the value of log 2, multiply it by 4. You will get 1.2040 plus 0.4771. By adding these two values, as both have negative signs, so they will be added and the sign will remain same. So it is equal to minus 3. Now add these two values and then subtract by 3. By adding these values, we will get 1.6811 minus 3. Here we cannot minus it directly, so you have to minus 3 from 1, means 1.6811 can be written as 1 plus 0.6811, and you have to subtract minus 3. So it will be equal to minus 2 plus 0.6811 and can be written as 2 negative 0.6811, which is our answer. Question number 6, simplify the following. Here we are provided with 25.47 cube root. So let x is equal to cube root of 25.47, bringing it in exponential form and taking log on both sides. Here log x is equal to log 25.47 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now using third law of logarithm, this power will come before the log and we will get log x is equal to 1 over 3 log 25.47. Now using calculator, log 25.47 is equal to 1.406 and divided by 3, we will get 0.4687. As we are required to find the value of x, not log x, so bring this log to the other side and it will become anti-log. So x is equal to anti-log of 0.4687, which is equal to 2.942. Next part 2, which is fifth root of 342.2. So it will be solved as part 1, x is equal to fifth root of 342.2, bringing it in exponential form and taking log on both sides. Then this power will come before the log, and the log of 342.2 is 2.534 divided by 5, and we will get log x is equal to 0.5069. Taking this log on the other side and it will become anti-log. So anti-log of 0.5069, which is equal to 3.213. Next, third part, which is 8.97 whole cube power 3 multiplied by 3.95 whole cube power 2 divided by cube root of 15.37. Let x is equal to 8.97 whole cube power 3 multiplied by 3.95 whole cube power 2 divided by cube root of 15.37. So our second step will be taking log on both sides. Next, using first law and second law of logarithm, which tells us that multiply will be converted into addition and divide will be converted into subtraction. So we will get log 8.97 whole cube power 3 plus log 3.95 whole cube power 2 minus log 15.37 whole cube power 1 by 3. Now using third law of logarithm, bring these powers before the log and it will become 3 log 8.97 plus 2 log 3.95 minus 1 over 3 log 15.37. Now calculating log of these values, we will get 3 into 0.9528 plus 2 into 0.5966 minus 1 over 3 into 1.187. Now multiplying these logarithm values with their respective values, we will get 2.8584 plus 1.1932 minus 0.3957. So we have to add both these numbers. By adding both these numbers and then subtracting from 0.3957, we will get 3.656. Next we have to find the value of x, not log x. So bring this log on the other side and it will become anti-log. So anti-log of 3.656 is 4528.67 or 8 something. So we have to round it off. So it will become 4500, which is our answer.